And this is what your Windows 11 look like after the end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to get this first class UI on Windows 11, including start menu, taskbar and notification center as well. So let's dive into the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to get that complete first class UI on Windows 11. I'll show you step by step. First you have to download this software called Windhawk and you have to install it. And now after installation you will see interface like this. Then we have to install some mods. Click on browse for mods. First we are going to install Windows 11 Explorer style, file explorer style. Click on details and click on install and then install. Okay, then go to settings and in here you have to select translucent Explorer 11 and then click on save settings. Okay, then we have to install another mods called translucent windows. Click on details, then click on install and then click on install. Okay, then unzip this file. All links are given in the description box or check pin comments. And here you can see Windows first class Explorer. Just copy this complete script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, here you can see our Explorer has been changed. Now we have to customize our taskbar. Okay, then install Windows 11 taskbar installer. Click on details and install and install. Okay, then go to this folder again and here you can see Windows 11 taskbar installer and copy this complete script and then go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods called taskbar height and icon size. Here you can see taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Okay, now we have to copy this script as well and copy this complete script and then go to advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Now we have to install notification installer. Here you can see Windows 11 notification installer. Click on details and then click on install and then click on install. Okay, then open this notification installer script and copy this complete script, then go to advanced and paste it here and then click on save. Okay, and one more thing, this customization is not going to affect your system performance at all. And then we have to install the start menu installer. Click on search and search for start menu, Windows 11 start menu installer. Click on details, then click on install and then click on install. Okay, here you can see this Windows 11 start menu installer and copy this complete script, go to advanced tab and paste it here and then click on save. And this is it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 start menu and taskbar style. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.